Ever wonder why your gas mileage suddenly takes a dive while you are cruising on the highway, or why your engine feels like it is skipping a beat when you are just trying to maintain speed? If you see the code P3442, it means your engine is having a performance problem with the cylinder number 6 deactivation and intake valve control circuit. This is a generic code that you will find on many modern American vehicles, like those from Dodge, Jeep, Chevrolet, and Ram, that use cylinder deactivation to save you money at the pump. This system is pretty clever because it can turn your big engine into a fuel-sipping four-cylinder mode when you are driving under a light load like on a flat highway. The engine control module, or the ECM, manages this by using solenoids to essentially shut off the intake valves for specific cylinders. For your vehicle, this code is pointing specifically at cylinder number 6. When the computer detects that the voltage or resistance in this circuit is not performing exactly how it should, it triggers the check engine light and might even shut off the fuel to that cylinder to protect the internal parts, which causes a very noticeable and annoying misfire. You will likely feel the engine struggle to accelerate and notice you are filling up the tank way more often than usual. The most common causes for this headache are a defective solenoid or something as simple as low engine oil level. Since this system relies on oil pressure to move the mechanical parts, dirty oil or a restricted oil passage can easily cause the whole thing to fail. To fix this, your first step should always be to check your oil dipstick and make sure the oil is clean and at the right level. Then you should look at the wiring harness near the intake for any signs of melting or rubbing against the frame. If you have a digital multimeter, you can check the resistance in the circuit to make sure there are no breaks in the wires. You should also check for any technical service bulletins for your specific truck or car, because sometimes there is a known fix or a software update that can solve the problem without you having to take the engine apart. If a simple oil change and wiring check do not work, you should definitely see a professional mechanic, because a misfire can cause permanent damage to your engine if you keep driving on it. Getting this fixed quickly will get your smooth highway ride back and keep your engine healthy for thousands of miles to come.